On the next True Ricola Stories. Albert was an icon of the number 21 bus. Exact fare always ready. Hip-hop kept to a low volume. But behind his model commuter facade, Albert hid a painful secret.
I get a cold like every spring.
On one fateful morning, Albert's fairy tale ridership spiraled out of control.
This hand was covering my cough while this one looked for a Ricola cough drop. I was out. I freaked, meaning I coughed all over the elderly gentleman next to me.
The other riders barely took notice.
They were just staring at their phones. But I knew what they were thinking. Ogre, get off our bus. Luckily, I blacked out and I don't remember the rest.
Intrigue, mass transit, and coughing on the next True Ricola Stories.